and Ilya from Speaktoit.
Hello. Morning. Excited to be here. So at Speaktoit, we are developing natural language understanding technologies and products. We are a team of 40 people. We are headquartered in downtown Palo Alto, and our main product is called Assistant, and we are mainly known for this product actually. So many people don't know the company name, but know the Assistant. We've launched it about half a year before Siri was launched. We are currently the largest independent assistant in the market, so it's a voice assistant available on all major platforms: iOS, Android, Windows Phone, Windows, Google Chrome. And it is the best assistant in the market. Well, at least our users say so. I mean, or general users. I mean, based on hundreds of thousands of reviews, our user rankings are higher than Google now, higher than Nuance Dragon Assistant, for example. What is the secret sauce there is that, well, we started with natural language conversation as opposed to just single question answers. We work a lot on context awareness. We understand what user is talking about, who the user is, what user was talking about with the system before, what's the current context, our environment, time, location, sensors in case of robots and cars. And also we take into account information from connected services such as your calendar or email or notes, for example. And we also do support proactive assistance so that, assistant can track what's happening with you and suggest something proactively, and not just notify about your way to the airport will be in 30 minutes, but actually suggest to do something about it, like to navigate, to start earlier or something like this. The company is funded by Intel Capital, Motorola Solutions, Alpine Electronics, and Plug and Play Ventures. And also, we recently launched a great platform which is actually just exposing of our main natural language understanding platform to independent developers of apps and devices. So with this platform that is called API.ai, you can actually create your own, voice enable any app or device. And how it relates to Assistant, so developers will be able to add functions to the Assistant. So basically, the Assistant now is not controlled only by us, but also by independent developers, which makes us help to kind of crowdsource Assistant's knowledge. And we do also work on B2B solutions. We work with car manufacturers, voice enabling cars. We work with smart TV guys, smart home, and so on. So a little bit about the Assistant. As I said, we've got about 14 million registered users now. We are the highest grossing lifestyle app in the US. We've launched our monetization about a year ago, actually a year and a half. One of the main features users are ready to pay for is ability to teach your assistant, so our users can really personalize the assistant, create custom commands. I can say something like, when I say cheese, you should open camera, or something more creative. We support 9 different languages, 11 dialects. We are working on Italian now, so it will be 10, 12 dialects. As I said, the highest user rating. So basically, we were the first in this market. We are the best by user reviews, and we will be the next big thing because we are actually exposing the assistant base to independent developers. As for working with carriers, we offer 3 basic models. So assistant can be pre-installed to devices, and I will give you a case study a little bit later. Assistant can be white labeled, so you can create a custom avatar, voice, some custom replies by the assistant, and we can do revenue sharing there, or we can do licensing, and also it can be really customized assistant so that the carrier's assistant will know a lot about the carrier, about carrier's plans, features, and so on. So speaking about case studies, the most recent case study is our assistant being pre-installed on Sharp devices. This new Aquos phone, it's really great if you haven't seen it yet. And it will be distributed in Sprint, Virgin Mobile, and Boost Mobile networks. So in about half a year, we built a slightly customized assistant. It's now being pre-installed on all the Sharp devices. And I think both of the parties are happy with this. Yeah, that's it. Ready for questions? Huh?
Congratulations on the partnership with Sharp.
Yeah.
With the, and what are the key factors to get into Japan's manufacturers?
So we actually have pretty good traction in Japan. Well, basically we have early adopters there. We have one of our investors in Japan, Alpine. Yeah, we just got lots of well interest from Japan, and well, that's why we get into Sharp. Have I answered your question?
Yes.
Can you talk about other platforms you're integrating with to get more leverage about the speech compute interface, like IFT, or are you doing something with WebRTC or things like that to try to get more leverage out of the
Yeah. It's more about the API platform probably, well, Assistant as well. So Assistant is available on all major consumer platforms. As for the API, it's a protocol that can be implemented on any device, so you can embed it to a robot, for example, to control the robot. By default, we do support also SDKs for iOS, Android, Google Chrome, WebRTC in the web. It's a complete solution. It includes voice recognition plus natural language understanding plus TTS. So it's a kind of one-stop shop for developers to voice enable any type of device.
Softball from Christine, since he's one of yours.
I was avoiding asking questions because.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks.